In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Slack to find a polling tool and get it ready for your team. We'll install a popular app called Simple Poll from Slack's app directory. This process works the same on the Slack desktop app and the web version, so use whichever you prefer. If you're not a workspace admin, don't worry. You can still follow along and request approval if your organization requires it. Start by opening Slack to your main workspace view. Make sure you're on the home page where you can see your channels and the left sidebar. This is where the Apps section lives. If you don't see Apps at first glance, scroll your sidebar a bit. It's usually beneath your channels and direct messages. Having Slack in a full-size window also helps reveal everything in the sidebar. Next, look for the Apps section and click the three dots beside it to open more options. Choose Manage. This takes you to Slack's app management area, where you can explore, install, and control apps connected to your workspace. It's the right place to add tools without hunting through channel messages. If your company limits who can add apps, you'll still be able to browse here and request access later. From the management view, click Browse Apps. This opens the Slack app directory. Think of it as a store where you can discover integrations built to extend Slack's features. In the app directory, use the search bar at the top and type Poll. This shows all polling-related apps available for Slack. Using a simple keyword keeps the results broad, so you can see the most popular, well-supported options. If you're ever unsure which app to pick, look for one with clear documentation and recent updates. From the results, select Simple Poll. It's a widely used option for quick, lightweight polls right inside your channels. The app page will outline what it can do, any permissions it needs, and how it interacts with your workspace. Give this a quick read so you understand what you're enabling. Now click Add to Slack. Follow any on-screen prompts. These may include confirming the workspace, granting permissions, or submitting an install request if admin approval is required. If you're asked to request access, send it and wait for approval. Once granted, installation completes automatically. After it's added, you'll see Simple Poll in your apps list on the sidebar. That's it. The polling tool is installed and ready to use whenever your team needs quick feedback.